This is Logitech's popular multi-device wireless keyboard K380, and this is also a multi-device wireless keyboard from A4Tech FBK30. This uses Bluetooth to connect up to 3 devices: phone, tablet, PC, or Mac, even Apple or Android TV. This also can connect to same devices, but not only using Bluetooth, it also has a 2.4 GHz nano receiver for faster wireless connection. So it has up to 4 devices, 3 on Bluetooth plus 1 on dangle. The 3 easy switch keys here make it more convenient to shift devices from one to another. On this keyboard, device switching is done in 2 keys. This uses 2 AAA battery that would last for 2 years. This also can last 2 years with its single AA battery. This has 79 keys, making it a compact keyboard. This is also compact, but it has a little bit more keys, 86. This has extra keys like print screen and system request key, scroll lock, insert key, and the 4 keys we need in typing: home and page up and page down. Hence, this is a bit smaller at 11 by 5 inches, and this is a little over 12 inches long and over 6 inches wide. This has 5 colors, while this one has only 4. This came out in 2015 and is no longer manufactured, but prevailing price in some stores is at about 1,400 pesos. This is still on sale at only about 800 pesos. Logitech is a Swiss company known worldwide, while A4Tech is a Taiwanese company producing computer peripherals also for the global market. I've been using this for 4 years with its keys are all intact, but its brain is no longer well, as I told you in this video. Hence, I bought this new wireless keyboard. Join me the rest of this video to know more about the A4Tech Freestyler FBK30 multi-device wireless keyboard. Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks. Ta-da! It's huge. Okay. It's all white. Very nice. All white, okay? Quick start user guide. I think it's the dongle or the battery. Oh, it's a free battery. Then you have here the cable. It's USB and also female USB socket here. USB port. That's it. Nothing else. That's it. Then the dongle is somewhere here. I'll tell you. See that? That's the dongle. How to remove this? Okay. So that's it. This is the dongle. So you can insert the dongle here. Okay. Then to your PC or any device, laptop, what else? So this is the storage compartment for the dongle, to the 2.4 GHz dongle. And let's put the battery. The battery is still sealed. Let's put it here. Okay. The power button is at the back here. Let's turn on. Okay. It's already powered on. The keyboard is quiet. You can read here on the spacebar quiet key. A4Tech is able to reduce noise on both key press and the key rebound. The company did that by combining high elastic silicone and high quality lubricant on the membrane. As a result, A4Tech claims the key sound is only about 14 decibels. The keys here are low profile and it's retro round keycaps. And there's a cradle here where you can place your tablet or mobile phone while typing. And the LED lights here are for the function and the device indicators. Let's talk about the uses of the keys here from top to bottom and from left to right. The very first key in all keyboard is the escape or ESC, but the escape key here has extra functions as indicated by this padlock icon. This is for function mode. The function keys 1 to 12 are for multimedia and internet hotkeys. To lock these function keys, short press the function button below, the FN, plus the skip key. After that, you can just directly press the function keys here without pressing first the function key below. And take note, after pairing the keyboard, the function keys are locked by default. To unlock, do the same, short press the FN key or function key below this below here, plus the escape button here. And I'll talk more on the function back keys or hotkeys later. I'm not going to talk about what is obvious here to save time. Next set of keys are the multi-device switch keys. There are four. Device number 1 is on the number 7 key. You can assign your main gadget here like your tablet. Device number 2 is on the number 8 key, maybe for your phone. Device number 3 is on the key number 9 key, maybe for your laptop. And this first three device keys are using Bluetooth for connection, while the fourth device key, which is on the number 0 key, is for the dongle, which you can plug into your PC directly or using the USB extension cable. Another set of keys are for the operating system swap. You must select any of the three keys here to be able to use the keyboard on your system. The I key here is assigned to iOS devices. The O key is for Mac, and the P key is for Windows, Chrome, Android, and Harmony OS. That only shows Apple products are really different. Okay. The 8 keys on the last row are dual function keys for both PC and Mac. This is quite mentioning. If you press caps lock, the function indicator turns on red, reminding us that the keys are set on uppercase. This is good. The keyboard is slanted by a few degrees like some regular keyboards, with the rear is higher than the front side. This is good to avoid fatigue on our hands. There are 4 rubber footings at the bottom. However, these don't stick much on the surface. You see that? Although there's a little drag, but it's not really sticky as similar to or unlike the Logitech K380 that it's so sticky. Okay, this one you can still move or slide the keyboard on the rubber matting here. The single battery of the FBK30 will last for about 2 years depending on its usage. The device indicator light will flash red if the battery power is below 10%. The keyboard is so light, it's about 400 grams only, and that is a problem because if I put my 11 inches tablet, you see that? My tablet is an older model, so it's heavier. Look at that. Okay. So I need to something like put some stopper at the back. Okay, that's it. So I'm now going to pair the keyboard and my devices. So I'll put my tablet on device 1. To pair the keyboard with my tablet, be sure that your tablet is on a pairing mode. It should be visible to the Bluetooth device or to the keyboard. So all I have to do is long press function and 7. The blue light should be blinking. Okay, it's already blinking. Now you can see here available device, the A4Tech FBK30. You choose that. It's now pairing and able to communicate. Again, we press, try it again. Okay, it's already connected to the device, or the keyboard is already connected to the tablet, or the tablet is connected to the keyboard. And you can start using now the keyboard with the tablet. I'll do the same for my cell phone. For my mobile phone, I will choose the device number 2 or number 8. So long press function and number 8, and we'll look for the device. Where is it? Okay, where are you? It's not here. Let's scan. Okay, there it goes. The keyboard. I tap it, and it says pairing. Yes, pair. And the light here is steady green. It means it's already connected. Let's check the device. So it says here connected. So I can proceed now with my devices. My cell phone is connected to device 2, and for device number 3, I can reserve that I just to other devices. I can follow the same procedure with the first device and second device. And instead of blue or green light, it will be purple. Okay, so there's color coding here. Again, device number 4 is for the nano receiver, but you don't need to pair it. Just insert the dongle on the USB port of your PC or Mac and choose device 4, and you're ready to go. It is recommended that the dongle should be inserted instead to the USB extension cable here. It's because the distance between the dongle and the keyboard should be within 30 centimeters. And this is how short the 30 centimeters. It's only about one foot. So you need to put the dongle on your PC unless your CPU is near to the keyboard. Then since you don't have to pair, let's try. I'll choose device 4. That will be function and 4. And indicator light here is turns to yellow, and our tablet is already disconnected from the keyboard. So it means we are now on the PC, and if you notice, the screen on the PC says that device is already ready. I'll just put the tablet this way because if I'll do that like this on its proper place, the two indicator lights here will be covered. It will be I cannot see it. So in the meantime, since we are still reviewing and we are still familiarizing the keyboard, so I need to see the lights there. For function keys usage, F1 is for home page of your device. When you shift to another app on your device, you press F2. Let's say from document to the browser. F3 is the backward key. Pressing that will let you exit from your current app, for example. Okay, so cancel. F4 is to search for the mature garden on the internet. If you are on the browser, let's change the browser. Press. See that? To cancel my action. Going back to my script. F2. F5 is for input switching, but I really don't understand this for now. I'll make a study further. Okay. F6 is for grabbing screenshot on the current screen. Okay. Then you see that saving screenshot. If we check the screenshot captured, that's the screenshot captured. Okay. Okay, let's go back. F3. F7 is for previous track. Let's say you go back to music. So F7 is for previous track. If you're playing music, especially YouTube, you press that, then it's going back to the previous music. Then if you go to F9, that's forward to the next music. F8 is play and pause, that's pause and play. F10 is for mute. F11 is music down or volume down. And F12 is volume up. There's another print screen key here, which also doubles as system request key. You press that, it also saving your current screen. The scroll lock turns the device light when you press it. You see that? But it doesn't lock the scrolling on the documents. You see that? It's still moving. I really don't know why this happens. I'll check this later on. Even on the browser, the lock doesn't work because the browser still moves. The delete button at the rightmost of the keyboard also doubles for pause or break function. It can be used to pause some computer games. And pressing home button here allows the cursor to directly position to the beginning of the line. For example, the cursor is here at the end of the line. If you press home, it goes back to the beginning. Or let's say here, if you want to go to the end, then press the end. Okay, so we'll start using. You have to press function, very short function, then 1. It should be, the light should be blue. Okay, that's it. So I'm already connected. Let's try. Let's see the latency. I press. Okay, so it's a low latency. It's almost real time. When you press the button here, the cursor also moves. I think I like the low profile key here. So it's now ready. So we'll try. So I'll try to type Xiaomi. Okay, so it works. I'll choose Xiaomi. I use the down arrow keys here. Let's say that like that. So I'll enter and it opens to Xiaomi. I'll try some functions here that is only exclusive to PC or Mac. The function keys here, like for example, the Windows key and the command key. Let's press the Windows key here. Okay, so the start menu is opening because I press this start a Windows key here. Okay, F1. Okay, F1 is for home. It's its home button. I press F2. Okay, it shifts to the file explorer, which I also open. If I press F3, it should go back. But I had nothing. I did nothing previously, so there's nothing to go back. F4 is search. You can see the search there. Okay, F5. F5 is for the language input. So F5 only works on PC, not on tablet. You can see here the choices for the English inputs. So that's why F5 is for input. Okay, now I understand. F6, it cannot do screenshots on F6. Let's try print screen. If it works, nothing. The scroll lock button on the PC is also not working. You see that? I can still scroll on the screen. The print screen here also not working. So do with F6 here, it's also not working on the PC. Typing on the PC is on real time. The quick brown fax. See that? It's there's no latency, so it's on real time. Really. Again, this is very nice. So I can conclude that the dongle is more efficient than the Bluetooth connection. So this is more faster to use. So I would recommend using this if you are on a PC or on a laptop. But if you're on a tablet, then your tablet has a USB port like this, USB-B, then you can actually use the dongle instead of the Bluetooth function of your tablet. Now, if you try to see here, for the USB eject buttons, there's no device there indicating the USB dongle, so you don't need to actually eject the dongle because it's not like, it doesn't have a driver. It does not install a driver on your PC, so it's just a plug and play device. You can just disconnect it from your CPU anytime. Okay, here it is. I disconnected it. Though it takes two keys to connect whichever device, phone or tablet, but shifting is almost on real time, no much hassle. This is a compact keyboard, hence it only has 86 keys, short of at least 15 keys to meet the full-size keyboard standard of 101 keys. Notably, what is missing here is the numpad or numeric keypads. However, the numbers 0 to 9 are already incorporated in the alphanumeric keys here. This design is called 10 keyless or TKL because you save space supposedly intended for 0 to 9. The additional keys on FBK30 make it more convenient, especially doing some tasks on mobile phones and tablets like screenshots, the multimedia buttons, the home and page up or down keys are shortcuts in word processing, and that's good. One thing I've noticed, some keycaps here, especially the bigger ones like the backspace, enter, shift, and space bar, are a little bit elevated than the others. So there's a gap from the bottom of the keycap and the surface of the keyboard. So this is prone to dust. So this needs regular cleaning. There was a time my tablet suddenly disconnected from the keyboard, and when I pair it again, it says it's unable to communicate with the FBK30. After a few troubleshooting attempts, a simple on and off of the airplane mode on the tablet resolved the problem. I don't call it a negative side of the keyboard because it's basically my old tablet was the culprit. I think this keyboard should have added a little weight to be able to carry the weight of the tablet being placed on its cradle. The Logitech K380 on the other hand has the same weight but it doesn't have a cradle. This is an elaborated keyboard despite its size as a compact type. Personally, I need more time to master the functions of this keyboard. Comparing this to the Logitech K380, this is more functional and it's better than the K380, but it is more cheaper by about 500 pesos or $10. I haven't seen much reviews of the A4Tech FBK30. If you happen to own one, please share your experiences in the comment section below. Daghang salamat.